Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how getting gel polish on my toenails really messed my nails up. First, I want to say is I actually took off some of the polish already, but a lot of my toenail always wind up breaking. So I am about to take my polish off. I wanted to show it to you guys. This is how it looks. I am using the acetone polish remover. And this right here is what I used to use on my actual fingernails. What you do is you put the aluminum foil, you put the cotton, and then you put the acetone. And that is how your polish is going to be able to get removed. Um, Here I am using the aluminum foil. And I like to use my socks to be able to keep it on. So again, you put it just like the picture that I showed you, but you put it on your foot. And now I kept it on for like about 35 minutes. And look how bad my toenails look. They always look so horrible. And the quality is so bad after I wind up taking my acetone off. But I do like the gel polish on my toes because it lasts so long. Because when I do regular polish, it does not last at all. So now you got to go in and use that tool to pry off of the polish. So it's a lot you have to do to be able to get gel polish off, but it lasts long. That's the good thing about it. And again, you got to use your acetone, and that's how my toenails look. Look at them. You see how the whole quality changed. My pup over there chilling. She was being a very good girl, waiting on her mama get done doing my toes. So this is just a little picture of her. She sleep. Okay, so let's keep on going. Now this is the tool I'll be using on to kind of buff my toenails, which I love it. I love it. I got it from Amazon. Excellent tool. Um, if you see something like that, most definitely get you one. I put it all on my toenails. And here I am buffing down my callus that I have. This is very good to buff down calluses or whatever you have. So that's what I'm doing. So now I am almost done. I am done. That's how my toes look afterwards. Once I buff them and all that good stuff. Now this stuff right here, y'all, this is the best. Cuticle oil by OPI. You have to get that. That makes my nails look so much better afterwards. So I am done. Let me show you. Once I use it, that's how they look before. And you see how it look after. I'm telling you, you got to get you some cuticle oil. Don't forget, guys, to follow me for more. Subscribe, and share my channel. Let me know below, guys, how do you like taking off your acrylic your gel polish? Is it hard? Hopefully this video helped you. Again, this is how it looked before, and this is how they look after. Okay, be blessed, guys. Bye.